Let's talk about something that every man secretly wants to know: how to make her go absolutely wild in bed. Gentlemen, if you're looking to take your game to the next level and leave her screaming your name, you've come to the right place. This is the ultimate guide to creating unforgettable intimacy. 1. The right mindset. Here's the thing: great intimacy starts way before the bedroom. If you want her to feel comfortable enough to let loose, you need to set the right tone. Women crave emotional connection, trust, and a sense of safety before they can fully unleash their passion. Take the time to make her feel valued and desired. Compliment her genuinely, look into her eyes, and let her know she's the center of your attention. When she feels emotionally connected, she'll be far more likely to let herself go completely. 2. Build anticipation. Foreplay doesn't start in the bedroom. It starts hours before. Send her a flirty text during the day. Whisper something suggestive in her ear. Or give her a lingering touch when no one's watching. These small moments build anticipation and excitement. Remember, seduction is a marathon, not a sprint. Let her feel the tension build, so that by the time you're alone, she's already on fire. 3. Master the art of foreplay. Foreplay is not just a warm-up, it's the foundation of great intimacy. If you skip it, you're missing the chance to really blow her mind. Pay attention to her reactions, explore her body, and focus on the areas that make her gasp or shiver. Start slow, kiss her neck, trace your fingers lightly across her skin, and whisper in her ear. Make her feel desired, and don't rush to the main event. The more time you spend building her anticipation, the more intense her pleasure will be. 4. Focus on her hot spots. Every woman has certain areas that drive her wild when touched or kissed. These can include her neck, ears, lower back, and inner thighs. Take your time exploring these areas and watch how she responds. The key is to be attentive. Don't just go through the motions. Really tune into her body language and sounds. If she arches her back, grabs onto you, or moans softly, you're doing it right. 5. Communication is key. One of the most underrated aspects of intimacy is communication. Don't assume you know exactly what she wants. Ask her. A simple, "Do you like this?" or "What feels good?" can make a world of difference. Not only does this show that you care about her pleasure, but it also creates a deeper connection between you. And trust me, when she feels that connection, her passion will go through the roof. 6. Try new things. If you really want to make her scream, you've got to keep things fresh. Trying new things, whether it's a new position, setting, or technique, adds excitement and novelty to your intimacy. Don't be afraid to get creative. Maybe it's a surprise massage, or maybe it's trying a position she's mentioned but never done. The key is to keep things fun and adventurous. 7. The power of rhythm and control. Here's a golden rule. It's not about how fast or hard you go. It's about rhythm and control. Start slow, gradually increase intensity, and mix things up to keep her on the edge of her seat. Pay attention to her breathing and movements. When she's close, don't rush. Keep her hanging at the edge of climax, and then take her over it in the most intense way possible. 8. Make it about her. The biggest mistake men make is focusing too much on themselves. If you want to make her scream like never before, you have to make it all about her pleasure. When you prioritize her needs and desires, she'll naturally reciprocate. And trust me, the more effort you put into her experience, the more rewarding it will be for both of you. 9. Aftercare is essential. One of the most important parts of intimacy happens after the climax. Cuddling, talking, or simply holding her close can make her feel appreciated and loved. Aftercare isn't just about being sweet. It's about solidifying the emotional connection. When you take care of her after, she'll be even more eager to be with you again. At the end of the day, making her scream isn't about tricks or gimmicks. It's about connection, effort, and making her feel truly desired. Follow these tips, and I guarantee you'll create moments that she'll never forget. If you enjoyed this video and want more advice like this, hit that like button and subscribe to Buddhist Karma Talks. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's the one thing you think makes intimacy unforgettable? Let's hear your stories.